Hi, I'm Matt from VistaTrac. I'm at Old Line Custom Meats here in Baltimore. It's a small but rapidly growing meat company. They raise their own cattle, a Rosetta beef brand. It's a Black Angus. My mouth waters just mentioning its name. It's really good stuff. So they do wholesale slaughter, they do wholesale packing, they also do custom slaughter and custom packing. They use QuickBooks in the office, and VistaTrac integrates with QuickBooks to save them time, save them money, and of course provide excellent traceability. Let's take a peek inside and see how they use it.
Traceability for us is very important. We actually raise our own cattle, so we need to trace from the farm all the way through to the end product. Our company was growing, we were expanding, our operations were getting rather chaotic. We were handwriting all the orders down, we were collecting weights by hand. There was no barcoding, we got into some bigger accounts, so we needed barcoding. So we started looking at different systems. VistaTrac answered a lot of our problems because we have so many different operations. We have a custom processing operation, we've got a production operation, we have a distributed beef operation. So VistaTrac had all those modules that fit right in with what we were doing.
Since Bill Ruppersberger invested in your company, it has made my life a lot easier.
Used to hand write down all the weights?
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly. It's time consuming.
Right.
I just let this do its thing and it comes out great.
Here at Old Line Meats, they're able to maintain excellent traceability on all of their beef carcasses and all of their raw materials with VistaTrac. As you can see behind me here, each carcass is labeled with the VistaTrac raw material barcode that came from the slaughter plant and was transferred here by scanning it. It's very easy to look up the traceability history of a carcass or a raw material simply by scanning the label. Here it shows us the complete traceability information, the product name and description, the lot number, the person that received it, the pounds on hand, the purchase order and the vendor, and the last known location. When carcasses are brought into production, they're scanned with the VistaTrac mobile scanner. You can scan them into a batch.
One or more carcasses can be scanned into a single production batch to ensure accurate traceability and yield reporting.
All right, now let's go back to the processing room and see where they're cutting meat and packing with the VistaTrac system. On the right side here, they're doing custom processing. Over here are the wholesale packing lines.
Let's take a closer look at the packed inventory transaction from the plant worker's perspective.
It would be Rosetta, top, butts, then that comes out, the lot number.
Yeah.
Another lot number, I press enter again. It's a Rosetta product. Cow product and Rosetta product are totally different. So I would hit enter once again. Batch number comes out, yep, okay. That tells you what it is, the date that it was packed, the batch number, the whole 9 yards. The weight's right there. I can even hit enter, or else I can hit that, but then all the information is on here, ready to go. Then we'll place it in stock and it'll probably go out tomorrow. Okay.
VistaTrac automates inventory by adding an item to inventory as soon as the label is printed. In the office, inventory is broken down by lot with traceability down to the individual case level.
Over here we got the ground beef packing line. Here they're doing pack to order.
Like many meat companies, Old Line does a lot of processing and packing to order, and VistaTrac makes this process simple and efficient. After an order is entered into QuickBooks, VistaTrac prints a pick ticket which can be scanned at the packing station to open the order, or a list of orders can be pulled up directly on the station. Labels are printed with the customer name and order number, and for Old Line, we print an extra label with large text to make things easier on the delivery driver. All of the weights are sent automatically back to the invoice in QuickBooks, saving a ton of time in the office.
Go back to QuickBooks. All the weights have been populated, and all we have to do at that point is print the ticket out. It's much faster, and it's also much more accurate. We used to take hand weights and write them down on a piece of paper, then enter them in manually here. I can manage the production basically from in the office at this point. We have significantly cut down on errors since we started the VistaTrac program.
All right, so I hope you've enjoyed this video about how VistaTrac and Old Line Meat Company work together to make sure that Rosetta Black Angus is among the most traceable farm-to-fork beef on the market. And now for my favorite part, enjoying the product.